Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lifa, aka Funky, and we go by a lot of nicknames. Anyways, this is your favorite IT tech / digital marketing specialist. Anyways, I remember I promised you guys a continual of the end product. Remember, I was fixing the Lenovo laptop that had a problem with cracked, actually broken, not cracked, yeah, cracked and broken. Hinge holders that I had to compromise so that I keep that laptop intact. So what I did is I used hard plastic as adhesive, melted it, poured it inside those hinge holder holes for it to actually fill up those holes, and then it gets to harden in there. And then I took those little goldish round screws and actually inserted them inside that hard plastic, because when it hardens, it actually holds those screws tight and acts as very, very, very hard thingy adhesive. So now let me show you the end product of my mission and task. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what's up. Now, these hinges are now with screws and are very much intact, and they won't break again. Now here, see? So now let me just close it for you guys here. And let me open it again. There we are. No hassle. No nothing. So now this is how you compromise to fix your screen. Sorry. This is how you compromise and fix your hinge holders. Well, the next time I will show you how to actually fix your actual hinges. Now I would love to take you, okay, but then let's put that for next time. Surprise.